This is Village Auto's 2007 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE extended cab with a Z71 4-wheel drive off-road package. Absolutely gorgeous one-owner truck, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The tow package, the matching cap, alloy wheels, chrome step bars, vent visors. Very well maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,880. Let's get inside here for you. Being the extended cab, this is a full 4 doors. Very clean cloth interior. Full power options. Folding center console. And this was a 6-passenger truck. You have AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input. Dual automatic climate control, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature, tow haul mode, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the OnStar. Altogether very clean, very well maintained one-owner truck that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2007 GMC Sierra home with you today.